Once I can keep an eye on what don't my before. Don't you ever guy and wanted to really you don't pay. And if you don't out to counter gas, that is a man that comes to kill the country and they absorb it through real enforcement of law. He doesn't have to. Garela Kamada Silicon Chamber, the name that you meet there, they are not completing us. And then I can't feel simple, put the country, kill him, put us, he doesn't have I can't be able to beat the car of the king. That was stopped. I fully agree with you there must be commercial courts. Now, in any transaction business like that, we have some sort of disputes. Multiple courts. Because otherwise, my going to brought also to my attention will be in my office. Lack of commercial courts. You better tell. You have to pay the rate of that. So I addressed the issue of taxation on the road and legal will stop. I trust there will be commercial courts. I trust corruption will stop. Because there's a serious discussion in the government. How do we stop corruption? How do we stop it? By this way. Look at the issue of the containers and local government for Mombasa. Containers in China, Mombasa, they've got to again, there's nothing I don't know you. You don't need it again. Do you think the cake in the outcome around? And should have done to make it. The corruption can perform the best down to it. And I think it's been discussed by most of our colleagues. They're discussing it. Simon Gordon, last month I got also information. There are containers, South Sudanese containers. There are big numbers being auctioned by the KRA, the Kenya Revenue Authority. You are aware of that? Unfortunately, majority of those containers belong to oil companies. The way I did not, just I went to read the Surah Kenan, majority of containers belong to oil companies. Ajakguong trillion. And these are bad news, those are bad normal materials. How come? But then we did a cost oil, but then by the cost oil. And we start eating the oil down. It's after subtraction of oil, cost oil. But my you cost oil, but the stuff has come and we divide also with partners. So then I can down to what we are here. And I don't want to beg very much. And I also appreciate you for the liberation because those beautiful institutions, they could have not come out from home. And it's not because of the effort that you have exerted during the deliberation and the discussion. But I also agree with Luka and I'm quite over them that the devil is in the implementation of those solutions. If you don't find out, those institutions will not be realized. The meaning of that solution actually, if they are implemented, then it makes the private sector productive. When you are productive, then the nation has money. If the nation has money, then we go forward. You can finance your development, you can finance education, you can finance health services. You can build the army. Because I'm especially for the developing nations. New nations like South Sudan need a lot of resources. Because the national are better than then you feel that Jaiku or Machilbao. Jaiku or Machilbao. People nobody will think that this is a total peace. But listen. This is the nature of human being. That's why a good and digital المكان ما بيمشي في العروض الأميرة، بيمشي في العروض زابون كابتن وسبري وطبيعة يبقى كل يشبه شوف عندنا هنا يستغل كونسول مش هيستغل we must have a control of the system. Enforcement order, the law and order, the hadith المفروض زمان أنا بتاع السودان بيت الحديد يعني ما حديد الحروب الشعبية لكن هي فوق عن قوي. الناس طبعا بنينا الدستور بتاعه هو helped by people الناس جايين المعارك very advanced places. God, this is the best constitution. This is the best economy. If you tip economy can you get paying of taxes? If you where will you go? If you tip can you in public money? If you can you in public money? Where will you go? It's a judgment. This is how we should start in South Sudan. Now, but you said exactly that we went to ski, we went. But so I get back to be part of his other community. He doesn't mind us other than my good. Being an infant in this other community, we can also benefit a lot. We can tell them that you might need to tell us right. This is our right. I don't in fact exam us for this because we are in infant. Exam us for you. We can benefit, but we cannot benefit now. Instead, they are looking at us. By this, let me declare the closure of this beautiful workshop on behalf of the Excellency President Salva Kiir Mayardit, the President of the Republic.